One of the top questions I get is about features. It is vital to understand the features before you start using your QuickBooks product. Why is this vital? If you do not understand the features and how to use them, then you could easily overstate your income, your expenses, or both. We will cover the basic standard features that are available in all QuickBooks products. First and foremost, you must understand the chart of accounts. Please see chart of accounts videos for more detail on that. The reason the chart of accounts is first and foremost is because all of the features in all QuickBooks products are tied to the chart of accounts. Invoicing is tied to the chart of accounts through the items, and you cannot create an invoice without an item. If you're going to use the invoice feature in your QuickBooks product, understand that this feature means you will create the invoice in QuickBooks, receive the payment against the invoice in QuickBooks, and then make the deposit to the bank account in QuickBooks. It seems simple and straightforward, but we have found in our 20+ years of experience that features are not being followed to completion. For example, creating invoices and receiving payments is being used, but not the Make Deposit feature in QuickBooks. This can lead to overstating income and/or making it difficult to match deposits to the bank account. If you're going to use the Enter Bill feature, understand this means you will enter the bill and pay the bill. Again, seems straightforward, but we find that end users create the bill but do not pay the bill, which leads to overstating expenses as the bill has been entered as well as the withdrawal from the bank account. Downloading banking and credit card activity is a feature for all QuickBooks products, and we cover this in a separate video. But again, if you do not understand how this works and are creating invoices and are using the bill pay feature, again, you can overstate income and expenses. Before you begin using your QuickBooks product, decide what features you really want to use. Do you need to track your accounts receivable in QuickBooks? If you are using a different software that takes care of this for you, then all you may need to do is track the deposits. Bills. Do you need to track bills in QuickBooks? Which bills will you track in QuickBooks? If most of your expenses are being debited from the checking account or credit card account and do not have terms, then you may want to just enter the expenses to the bank and/or credit card account instead. Why? Again, you have to follow the feature all of the way through. If you enter the bill, you have to pay the bill inside your QuickBooks product. We do cover each feature individually and how they work in our other training products. Before you get started in your QuickBooks product, decide which features you will use and make sure you use the feature from start to finish.